Greetings everybody, this is Amazon Expert 8 and I am here to show you guys LEGO minifigure series 8 minifigure. I opened it up and see what's in here. It looks like it's the night, I think it's the night, yeah. It looks like the night. So, let's build this guy. Alright. What's wrong with this torso? It has nothing on it. So basically that's his body. That kind of stinks. Actually, I don't remember what side it is. Oh, is this side? Yeah, it's that side. And I think this is the right head, I believe. Yeah, this is the head. The last... Oh, yeah, actually it's the fire. Alright, the night. Take that so far, and I'm gonna have to put the camera down to get fire. And I'll do the sword on without the camera too. The sword isn't actually going in. Oh, here we go, I got it. Get them on. Come on. Alright. So, this is the night. Hang on, where's the paper? It's supposed to be a piece of paper in here, I thought. The only figures I thought there was supposed to be like that. Oh, here it is. Here it is. It looks like I got number 2. Who is that? I don't know who it is. Oh, gosh. Stupid paper. Oh, gosh. Stupid little paper thing. It doesn't say who it is, actually. I don't exactly know who this is. I don't know its name. I don't know, well. This is the minifigure, so yeah, see you legs there.